Dalawang tulog na lang, Pasko na. Ramdam nyo na din ba ang holiday vibes? The lights, the music, ang daming mga Christmas parties na inatinan nyo kaliwat kanan. Tapos na ba lahat? Pero alam ko, many of us, marami rin ang nasistress na sa dami ng gastos, diba? Wala pang Pasko pero halos ubos na yung ating mga 13th month pay or Christmas bonus. Pero teka lang, pause muna tayo. This holiday season, I want to remind you na ang tunay na diwa ng Pasko ay hindi lang tungkol sa kung gaano kalaki ang handaan o kung gaano kamahal ang regalo. It's all about love, gratitude, and spending time with the people who matter most. So in this video, I'll give you some tips on how we can celebrate Christmas meaningfully without breaking the bank. Let's be honest, bakit nga ba tayo napapagastos ng sobra tuwing Pasko? Number one, it's due to social pressure. Yung feeling na kailangang mahal ang regalo mo kasi baka mapahiya ka kung hindi, di ba? Relate ba kayo dyan? Number two, guilt. Kasi we want to give back to our loved ones pero minsan nakakalimutan natin na dapat within budget lang. Kaya nga dapat before pa ng Pasko sana ay nakagawa muna tayo ng listahan ng mga pagbibigyan natin, and of course we have to set a limit kung magkano ba yung budget natin for our gifts, for decor, for food, and all other things na kailangang pagkagastosan sa Kapaskuhan. Number 3 is pakikisama. Tayo mga Pilipino, magaling tayo dito eh. Kaya lang kahit over budget na, may biglang reunion or party na kailangan mong pagbigyan, kaya nakaka-pressure din, di ba? Alam nyo ba, nangyari rin sa akin to. One Christmas, a few years ago, I was so pressured to give expensive gifts kahit na walang-wala na or kulang na sa budget. Ayun, naubos ang savings at nag-suffer pa ang financial goals for the next year. Looking back, I realized hindi naman yung presyo ng regalo ang mahalaga. The most appreciated gifts are often the most thoughtful ones. Kaya kung meron kayong naiisip na reregaluhan at wala kayong masyadong budget, okay lang yan. Hindi nyo man kailangan mangutang or ubusin yung credit limit nyo para lang doon. Kahit simple card siguro, pwede na yun for now. And maybe we can be a little bit more transparent to them kung hindi talaga natin kaya sa ngayon. Sabihin nyo, maybe next year, pag okay na, edi bigyan nyo na lang sila. Kung talagang tight ang budget, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng personalized na mga or DIY na regalo, na pang-regalo, diba? It's the thought that counts. Kung kayo naman ay magsa-celebrate ng Pasko or New Year with your family or friends, pwede kayong mag-potluck, diba? One dish for every family. Ang mahalaga, magkakasama at masaya ang lahat, diba? Walang masyadong gastos, pero puno ng pagmamahal at bonding. Ito yung mas maaalala natin, yung experience, yung bonding. It's not about the money, it's about the effort and the thoughtfulness. So, paano ba natin i-celebrate ang Pasko without overspending? Number 1, set a spending limit. Maglaan ng specific budget for gifts, food, and other expenses. Once naabot mo na yung limit, stop na. Discipline is key, di ba? Kasi kapag sumusobra, doon tayo nagkakaproblema. So, set a limit. Number 2, opt for thoughtful gestures. Hindi kailangan laging material ang regalo. A handwritten letter, a home-cooked dish, or even just your time and effort can mean so much more. Number 3, celebrate at home. Hindi naman kailangan laging sa mamahaling restaurant or venue or travel kung wala naman sa budget. Plan activities na libre tulad ng karaoke night, board games, or movie marathons with your loved ones. Number 4, skip the guilt spending. Ang mahalaga ay ang presensya mo, hindi yung presyo ng dala mo. Remember, my friends, Christmas is about creating memories, showing gratitude, and spreading love. Kaya naman enjoy this season with your family and friends without the pressure to overspend. At syempre, huwag natin kakalimutan na ang tunay talagang diwa ng Pasko ay yung paggunita natin sa birth ng ating Savior na si Jesus Christ. This holiday season, let's prioritize what really matters: relationships, love, and gratitude. Celebrate in your own meaningful way and make memories that will last far beyond the holidays. That's all for today, my friends. Merry Christmas, stay safe, stay happy, and God bless.